and cancer. The whole kind of me can't see you.
It's one for Becky. Honestly, today. Well, the number can be a Matewasi. Mammy fell back. When you mean you
Sister, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You have a call. Okay. Sister, Obeje said the last time. From who could you come up say me and many yagani? No was so bad. I call for bar for fraud in Ebreokuno. Malkuno reject you know. You remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Okay. Obeje descend again and not to honor. On any saga now was so fan by no. Saga na minjina wa no kun all reject no. Makon tell reject no. On this say wa welcome na. No san serve on the drink wo mumanim no.
I don't want to have
That be sister. No dada wo. Me person me show actions bi ana me react some bad way bi. Eni ntini nya calm no. Sister mama mani nda ho. San se ba bi ade ahia kika ko no. Tro. Ba bi ade ahia sister kika ko na tro pa mama mani nda ho. Mama mani nda ho. Yo. Tete.
And I
Come to let her also have this.
open a committee.
Sir,
The second will be
men come brother.
you. Say, my baby, do you beat me up on it? We are now.
Any brand monitor.
With you. Now they will be Ramona.
Ade.
That's one pen, 2 months.
Ah, ba KYEKYEKU.
There be no doing what this man got.
Kase meeting.
Me free wa anybody. Say me poasem. And anya won kwa so na me poasem, mu sister wo, obusu en kai nyina me po bi asem. Na nansente me niam e kokoso ofia ha bufu nkitinkiti bi asori ofia ha a wankasa wonim. Se bibi se ekoso.
Bibi biti sade nsa.
Eye wo sister.
Aha.
So onwo. Anazi awanyam. Wo sister wo a wonwo nti na ka me ye mage se me ba ho no. Me bre ni abre. Hwe ewiase abusu bia ni mu nsem. Ena wo so kwa abusuani ase bi owu nso a wonim abusuani. Wonim abusuani mu sister ne de mi se de etie bia. Se even po se boni bi mpo na wo sister aye mpo na se bi onya wo a ubenim. Chire me. Because I me hu se me bra e kasa wo sister anim sa se o tiete ne sa me hu na se ne hu ye mmobɔ ne sa ha me. Mami hu anye me ekoso e wo sister na bra bom ana mabusuam. Se bia mabusuam ya abusuam bia awode a wo se bia hu ɔden ma wo. Mimi to se mini pa bebrebe o. Mini nkofo bebrebe ase bo mo ye nuo, o mo ya awo nuo. Aka me betim do ayede akɔ hɔ. Ifin kwa metim aso sister sade na kɔ. Na se impokura na se bi aduro no hi a ye de be keka na ma afo ayede. Ba fafu. Timesro, chiri na mi hu de ekɔ. Na afi mwa bi e wo bi a wo se ye de boa because enye me fese dan dan nyina me bra wo se wo kasa kasa na nim sa. Ese me hu sister kwa na me fele. So, timesro, party.
KYEKYEKU wa man wera ho pa jodi nkane. Etia me yinu. Me yankuro mba ahema brekum ba ahema kan sembi. Ose de wa tu aminika ahwiase awu no. Yemfa aminika
Enkona yes because bia wo kudu wo kona de mbika kora wo te hwe so bia wo so bitime dey
sa pepepe. KYEKYEKU se ya kan wo a yabusua ma wo ndi ye na. Abaya ketwa kura wo na yes nyame ampata no ne be ma da. Obenyem Bema bi o 9 to 10 years nyame ampata no ne bada obenyem yebusuam nyankopon dia wache ye mi se nya ahokyera mi ngina hoyi nya ahokyera nka memba mienu ahokyera ne man wo ya manje
so wanyenye ma be wanye
manje nde me mache
fanki
sasa atani mi nya asase ndo mafuo he wote se na nka magibe nyina nti awaje KYEKYEKU endi ya na wo ye fie
na ne ba ne se na wo sta wo fimi mu
eno ne menti ase ne na mo so mo bisa se die nti because banko anwo banko ntimi nwo ma ne nye nti ese mo so mo bisa mo bra se die nti na ba ya he onwo
ohun be makokwa ase wo ibonyine da
na wo hu bi da
ohun be makokwa ase bi o onya awoda
wo hu bi da
And I make us a woo sister no. Maybe an pen or penno. Say yes, I pass a pen and maybe a woo sister. Cabadis, I can't be afraid to do all better 10 or 14 bra. So, enti masro. You cost on a new a phone sister bravo. If you walk with the bonny be. Can you be as you know some want me in yaw? Eh, some children and ferret.
Checheku. Nyankopon ne dema. Nyankopon wo bra o hye bia nyen sen. Sala odi mfie do sen. Onya 90 years.
I was always ala. Asemesi me ka asem kire de enti awu senti me ngo. Anase bia boni bi no for us mfiro okra me nyakwa.
Checheku.
Oh ya masa. Me bra ni bra be so ahwe yo papa mo.
Awo nyame ne dema. Checheku.
On kwasesem se ya ana na okuba bufu aba. Kan die boni na nipa na ye no. Ni ehu kire kwa ne mpati kwa no ntimi ngo. Na asumnye me fe o kan kwasa se na mabusuem ne na yestimi o. Na masa.
Dembo
Me bra ni bra bre no. So pamo mu nyina afirifi ahwe no amblemu bia. Me de me ba ne se ka sumwie na me pe no. Tirem kwan asa bia be fa so wo sabe wo. E na wo se se mabusu de mo wo. Ya mo na so ntimi ngo de a. Kontwen na dem.
I go by my name. You kept them, right? Oh my God. Never mind where I'm heading toward, but I will respect you wherever you are going. Then I do justice to that. But are you not eating? Where's your food?
I don't feel for food.
You don't feel for food? Why?
Fee, so what your mother is doing to me, is it fair? Why is she doing this to me? Where did I go wrong? What have I done to her? Is it my fault I can't have a baby? Do you think I'm happy with this?
Your question sounds so strange to me. Because I am surprised you are asking me why your mom is treating you like that. But what else do you expect my mom to treat you? After 5-6 years, no baby?
Fee! What do you mean?
Of course, you heard what I said earlier. For the past 5-6 years that we got married, no baby. There's no cry of a baby in this house.
Jesus Christ! Fee, how can you say this to me?
Of course I'm right, Ella. I'm totally right.
Is it my fault that I can't give birth?
And is it my fault?
Is it my fault I don't have a baby?
No, is it my fault? Just go observe the compound, a very big compound, big house. And there's no a child who can even inherit our bona fide property. That's in case we are out of this world. My mom is also dying for a granddaughter or a grandson. So definitely complain. So where lies the accusations?
Even you.
Even us.
So you're in fault with your mom. Fee. It's not my fault I can't have a baby.
Neither my fault, Ella. Is it my fault?
Fee, please.
I'm doing all the pushings. You need to receive it and give me baby.
Fee, please listen. Talk to your mother.
So I shouldn't eat, right?
Fee,
I shouldn't eat.
No,
You're holding my hand.
Please, Fee, tell her I will. At the right time, I will have a baby. Please, Fee, please don't do this to me. Don't support her, please.
12 months in a year. So to multiply 12 months in a year times 6 months. Are you crazy?
God. Fee, listen. Fee, please talk to her. Beg her. Let her understand that I will have a baby. Please don't do this to me. Beg you, please. Fee, don't do this to me.
But what do you expect me to go, Ella?
At least finish the food.
Why will I feel for food? Your words that you're giving to me will not give me an appetite to even eat the food. And moreover, you're also eating it. And whatever you're telling me wouldn't buy because my mom is also insists on, getting a granddaughter or grandson.
Fee, please don't do this to me.
You better do your homework well.
Fee, please don't do this to me, babe. I beg you, don't.
Don't beg me.
Fee,
Beg for your baby.
Fee, please. Oh, God. Fee.
Oh, lost on it.
Hey, I'm feeling poor. Jay, the person saying what say? Hey, sister, name man.
It's in here.
I can't so better.
Oh,
I'm feeling ready.
now what's why I was saying?
Say if you go move over, I'm a better.
See, I will go over. And I will catch him. See, it's a come by.
Now, say, have a friend. You go in and I'm a Jones or baby, it's not a cemetery. Come on, qua.
Yes, I drink. Who's it?
So, dear, for any two.
Well, do you know, me no number, but Papa no Joe number.
Papa, then.
Papa could be thinking for no, it's a curb, you move by my hair car, no, but.
Oh, man, no, see a friendly fee.
Oh, okay, or the fee. Okay.
Nothing think cocoa.
Titi could be a no number of flower now, your own longer, make a say, Charlie, rushing or no.
Ah, my friend.
Hey,
No, mum, na a Jamie number.
sister. Now, what do number no one from and two friend? If you're not real sister, opportunity be seen, no my name far from into one friend. Okay.
I said, Ben, as I walk on, we are my way.
The way I am one saying, sister, what you say, Jumana, and me womb. Then your mere what don't no be a flower. Also, calling Munyam for. No, I throw no in the number, my sister, what my doubt opportunity, no. I found call.
Oh, my friend. My friend, my friend.
I found the mamma with them friend.
Nipa no friend, I assemble. Lepel. What's your name? Send me
Very right.
Very bad, so no.
Mamma found full mamma and them friend. I Johnson and out.
Lay your wife.
I made me tell you, Papa, Papa, the pan about him. Oh, my chance.
It's very well, let's have a friend.
Mr. Friend.
I didn't know something very that you I didn't know. Because now no be.
Oh yeah, let me see when you be there. Why you sound? You know, I'm never putting some buy and ask all your own John. And some
Anthony, what are you saying?
Anyway, we know some way.
I sometimes Checheku ubisa sense dia. Oda yo so da ani ba hwia nwa gutiri no. Uni wan. Te say dia yon ku bi de mam Checheku. Uni no say wan. Te say dia mam yo ti pen.
Santa asa won so kasasa so bi a wasi da so no atu no ni fia won tu bi bra fi. Ase asa obi aso de ne ho. Ai ti me be kasa ma won so bu afumbo a.
Mam ya pi.
Aden na say bi large be wo ho. Na wo pi wo bra wo ntu ala bi. Ho ne nko tu sa large be.
Anya bia fi hai na yete ne wono gigi light ba na.
Enya me na me gigi light ba wo to say wo da light im.
Na nka mba ha ne nka me da light na nka me koda so.
Na de light bi aba na bu mani agu so na wo pie. Whatever ba so na wo pie. Hwan na enko tu na hwan na me so light no na hwan na enko bu ntu ofanya le.
Fie ni say ma konta fie. Nti ma konta have the responsibility to pay all the bills.
Wa konta en ma dan nam. Ese ntu water bin light bi ma me bo a.
What ya try wo hwa water bin light bi.
Enya me bra fie.
Me so ma konta fie.
Me jimi ya ka bra sa konta. Interview the ma konta no bra difference be ne wo. Pa me ka samo kire wo. Se munima for your information if it na ko betu water bi. Ase tu ya light bi. Mo me da mu free mo obi san betu water bi light bi ma mo. Na ne dey ka dia for be no. Africa for den ka mo ba ye kronka tris ka mo am force nya bibi. Mo o de mo famra ka se bia ye nye. Mo so no bu mani agusu light bi ne ba. No ma ye kom ase mo nyusu light. Ase mo to mo use heater. Here for mo use heater me hu bi da. Here for mo use microwave. Here for mo use light. Here me twe light nko a. My friend, tell your father and your mother. Tell them say they should come and pay the light. Or else honor you be twem.
Omo ntwane
Any Jimmy.
Atanu ne woni oni ayame woni be pa na atanu dia. Ode kem. Woni be pa na atanu dia yo.
Ono pe boni ati.
Ana enso nye enya oda ena ono nton ahanan.
Nenti ahanti ko omo dade mo no. Pe no ko mentu light ban.
Enti mo beto nye light be ka woni ma me ana papa wan. Ana katnya omla oto no na mla light be no fia me tan.
Mo hwe.
Ana woni entota.
Enti se bi ye mo dan nem. Ne enia se entu light be me boa.
Wo to light be ni bi.
Wo pe ke ma be ode.
Wo twale.
Ana mo to na wa kwa betu abi.
Wan.
Dia wo ya sa wo kasa maro no. Ama ho. Ko so betu abi.
Enya men. Enyanwe. Enya mo nyawe. Ena me nyala nu. Enya la nyale. Me nyenyo.
Me nyane.
Wo no me no ne engine ati.
To be me ka kire wo. Ka hu se me bra na tu aka.
Engine.
You talk as if as I want to offer ho aduma. As aduma na wo ye no. As wa no offer so nyobi na empo make. So we dim was as ho na bo entimi nyu ade ana.
Me nyimo no me nan. Wo bla fa ma wo fa ma.
Me ba me
ma sa wo fa ma nyuma. Wo dim wo ma o me dem. Hwenyo. Me nya ya.
Me ka kire so tim say what dem to ntimi mpre yo.
Me mention them. Me ni mo enwe mutwem. Me ma me nya me nya me enwe mutwem enga ta
me. Na ka to obusu afo so na be break me record.
Onya.
Me de twedie say pa wo peno so say.
Famo
E beti
tenya ku me ma kwan mo.
Hwe ohim nyina beti kama obekasa normal. O ka do api.
Ni kwa.
No why bibi.
Nanka wa nanka ai.
Nya wo ni why bibi wate.
Nanka wa nanka ai.
Bibi na akwate bayire huma na ma bayire amo akese ye. Nya wo.
Ehia fo be. Nya ni hu se ne ho chire ka kire.
Enyo na me nyala ni me ya.
Masa. Kubi. We ya wo hum ye. Asida bia se. Wo ya ties asifa se wo na fie ye wo ya se.
Ome, o ka mem nei. Me bu kan o mem nei.
Tie miem.
Me bi. He, wonye, we kwa unyale na me. We kwa mo gale na me.
Na to bi ma obetimi ma ye.
Ai me o me em nei.
Ai ti cs ya biem cs se bio fie ro anua be ma. Ene wo get ma no obetimi abo fie ro anua be ma no.
Mo wi me ne atamato te me di me ni atum fie ro. Me ni atum mo. Ya ja ko bonga na na.
Abo me.
Wo ga wan. Nya won ka tie mo mi.
Yes kwa se me di as me me mu me ho wo me no kwa. As me no kwa me
nyale.
Na se nye pa se ka me tuo no me ye fie ro a anua be ma. Ena me so me ya weka se weka. Abegimedi. No dey ko tira bonta ka sai ena wo betina fie na me ne me bra tu bro na se osa ko ka ju se tu abro.
Me ka nyo ne nyen me nye me enkunam no mo ko. Me nye omo anyina pe no mo ko nye me ten.
O na
no nye. Eno nye.
Dia ne na bo no. Je wiase pa. Wiase pa dia o. Ono na ono edi dem na. Okasa wonte ne papa no mo ye sei. Let me meet you come on. Atabi. Me ka se ko. Me say me dey like being same say yeah, tia. Me tia. Tia me je ni atwam. On how beti. On na be ko. Hey! Tubi! Tubi!
Oh, I've received it. Yeah. I'm grateful. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Yeah, this afternoon. Of course. It's only 1,000. um, okay, yeah. Tomorrow will do. Yeah. Okay, at the office. Why not? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let me call you. Let me get back to you later, okay? Okay. You too. Bye then. Bye. Yeah, hon. Why that glance? Are you okay?
Are you asking me that am I okay?
Yeah, I have to ask you. It's all over on your face.
I'm not okay.
Oh, you're angry, yeah?
Are you asking me or what?
But it shows.
Obi a me no me no two room on my TV program. What sorry I better more your call.
Babe, I was just making a normal call. Okay?
Normal call.
Yeah, it's just a normal call.
Tilly, you call this normal call?
Yeah, I was talking to a friend.
A friend?
Yeah.
Female or male?
Berry.
No, I'm asking you a question.
I was talking to male.
At this time?
But what's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
So shouldn't I even make calls now?
I'm not saying that, please.
So I have to have time that I have to make calls?
I'm not saying that.
So what are you saying? Oh please, spare me that.
I should spare you what?
So I can't have my privacy now. My phone is my privacy.
So
anything I discuss on it is my privacy.
Really?
Oh yes.
Tilly.
Please. I don't see why I have to explain things to you. You chooses to make your calls when I'm there. Fine, that's your own opinion. But my phone is my privacy. I have to have my privacy. Anything on my phone is my privacy.
Oh.
I can choose to tell you. And if I don't choose to tell you, it's cool. You have to be my source of peace. This is too much. You're getting on my nerves. Please.
Tilly.
Oh, please. Spare me that.
Hey. Remember when you call the other side, maybe say, one hour and a casano, move both with your family. So. Hi.
Did you see me?
I saw you.
So, what's happening?
Nothing.
Where are you guys going?
In there.
For what?
I mean.
See? See?
Hello. What is that? Okay.
are you doing this to me? Where are the vows you promised? Where did I go wrong? You told me you stand by me no matter what. So why now, V? Please don't do this to me. You told me you would love me. Please. Top of it. In my house. My matrimonial bed. V, why? Please. Please, I beg you, don't do this to me. And you. You're a woman like me. Why do you want to destroy a home? Why? Because I can't have a baby. He brought you here to place me. Thank you. Thank you, please.
Faye, where is she? Why didn't you tell me you're married? I asked you. You told me not to mind her. Faye. Can you come in? Better go and sort whatever you have with your wife. Fee, you can't stand my anger. Please don't provoke me.
Na majadi me nyina tumi kaba isan say mawari isini naso awari amwari mi anam hira so oyire din sem bebre abetu manima in fact e ha me na say osofo a mi hira wade no so no say mama na me ne wa ma me kasa na say me ya ye mistake oyire ka kira me say utimi de oba ba fie ha wife say na say atiti a wodi ni fam ofia no wakodwene wawofo eso ntisa wa ware no mi ana mi hira wade yesu utimi ene ne ko anyhow ono aduane a wo hire ndi wuyi ba ko mienu na wagya to ho niema ensem fata nko na ase ne nsen wo de na di ni nyina gina awo no so ntira ohene fi sana o Kristo ni bema ese wo ye zisi ano pese wo ho kodwan obusuafo no na mudi oba ne ani ana ani ntina wo ye sa
Semiwe tuma sami ho abeka nsɛm bi ɛkɔ so ofie akyerɛ no sɛ me started tɔn me
o yere ɛtɔn.
that is how I say it.
Na wura fi sɛ me na me hyira awadeɛ ne so.
Papa, the meaning is no matter what the situation will go, we can solve issues by ourselves, not bringing the issue outside.
But by pastor,
Papa, me challenge you. Oh, now said the Yamasity, no. Papa, what be the dancer say you worry 5 to 6 good years? I won't mind. She a day I'm a pages you. Papa, she dream suicide. But Japadia me wo. Tiamin for Samba, BBC, na papa. You fret as if us who is going to inherit our bonafide property.
Oh,
we need to get a son, we need to get a daughter. And then I make a true me, you will say, one no so. One can't tell in the one cannon. One cannon. I wouldn't know I said, Papa, watch him now.
And I say, I warn you, a dema.
I mean, him, sir, I mean, the mouse one. I do say, watch me now. And no nigga can know you difficult, I'm a mayor. I didn't know say become a too. And to say, very soon as Papa, me boy you turn up, what a bed my
boy you turn up.
What a bed my
Bema, won't worry. Or far you let you. As all you're in the coffee, which she said, beer, I want to see through her. I can't have any day.
Papa, look at her, said
I can't hold it for when I share with you shoe. And I will if he say, would you not tell me? And I'm a for better for worse. Say, Papa, Bonio, winning now. Na say money na bank kakra who dwane every money no
and no kind of make a bidi machi
me kind na okay bidi machi
papa and don't be surprised because so kind of make a bidi machi
sir
papa oboni mo and I'm so just papa oboni mo
nti me na me kan sem no
and make a bidi machi
and I repeat ye nti hu ni say e tra keke nti obetima ko gina otumfo anim na wa hyebo otumfo ka say ye say waka no so waka bi nti obeka ka kire otumfo say otumfo wo kan na me kan bi
anotina papa so kwa I hear this some you say so we yare free man and no na ha me yare wo yare nti wo so treat
awo nyame na de man e bidie di 15 years 25 years 30 years 6 years pay na wontimi ntwan fi moni mra ho so moni mra ho so se mo ware wo Kristo mu mo ware wiase mu moni mra ho so kami nja de me ye ma
wo se me ye be papa mra ho drop na me no me di ma ho de nyina be guso papa mi ye na su nyina
mako check up ye mo mpai ne rade be misrew hwe na wantete oba no twene ben sa mere ohia ono aduane adi na nya abotai enkofo oba ma wa ofie ba bi a woda wo mpa a woda so aya no me kra enye sabida aya no me nyame hira ma wo so emmemmo mo ye sa ne emeni nyina omadwuma sam timi hya asesesei o se na se meba bia na wa chese wa basa adwuma sam hya asesei ko wa hya ase fa o yirachi enye eno me do dia me ko dwene ho na se sa wa dwene na se o se sa Awurade beje o na eden a oba no so de mo benya bi ya mo mpai me da wa se Awurade show ho anmunyam e wa ko abrabo ma bibia nwie peyo wa wo emu wo Yesu dim amen
amen.
From the beat.
Silly J. Now, bow. I could not go over family so bound. Coming piano, coming view.
The grand was a mefro crown of my crown. Many seniors, better.
What's in you when you have it?
Somehow told me.
Talk to me.
Could you believe that Fee is married?
What? Fee is married? No, I don't believe this.
Yes.
How? God, man.
What's that, Jones?
Man.
Jones. He took me to his house yesterday. I was so happy because when I got there, the man is fucking loaded.
Wow, I said it! I said it! The man is loaded!
I'm so happy.
I'm not happy.
There is more to it.
What I say?
When I got to the compound, the house, the cars, I was so happy.
Yeah, you have to be happy.
But there is more to it.
What is it? Tell me.
When we entered into his porch, there was a lady there. I thought maybe the lady is his sister or whatever. I patiently greeted her. And this lady stared at me up and down. So I asked Fee that, who is this lady? Because when we walked in, the lady called him Fee in that kind of tone. I asked Fee that, who is this lady? She was like, oh, calm down, let's go. Like, you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I know.
Then we got inside. He took me to the room. We got inside. He told me I've left something in the car. He's going to bring it. I patiently waited for him. Then the lady just walked in with tears. According to the lady, Fee is her husband. And what? She's married to Fee. And Fee is doing all this because she can't conceive. Oh yes, the lady is barren.
Oh my God. That's good. This is chance. So, like, what's me what? So, if you can't win your chance now, only bit me. I mean, what me cry for them and a bomb. What am I saying?
Stop it. Ah, the lady is going through pains.
So what?
Emotional trauma.
So what? Oh no, oh yeah, buy no one man for. Oh, young worry here no. No one you be there. Now, Ben man look when him say, oh, cut through pains. Are you there? That's what you told me right now.
No, someone say, oh yeah, buy no.
Ah, oh baby, oh sis one. That is how the person behaves. Oh, young worry and father, what media man for connection. Then you may do not buy no what. Now, who are complaining? Oh, Bunny, you're not going to do with you. Or no, do with your no news and narrative. Sister, what do you think? Yeah.
I'm tired. Please, let's sleep, okay?
You are telling us at least one will be okay.
Very. No, listen. Now I don't want to make love with you without any protective measures, okay? And you don't have anything around that we can use to protect ourselves.
Tilly, but I know why you were. This is not the first time.
I'm ovulating.
Tilly, you told me this same story last week and you... Tilly, what do you mean? At least...
That's how my body works now.
Tilly, please, stop what you're doing, please.
Mary, please, I'm tired. Please. I'm tired.
Tilly, we'll back up, I'm so.
Barry, you loving me doesn't mean I can't have my privacy. I've been tolerating certain things. Now you are overdoing it. Please.
Tilly, me or guy, Tilly.
I know. I know.
Sorry, just to say.
I know. If we protect ourselves, I'm ready to make love to you.
Tilly, already a bad thing.
Think about me too.
Tilly,
don't try it. Don't try it. I said don't try it. Divide it into 3 parts. Cross your finger like this. Okay. Then you cross your other finger like that. Okay. So you do it continuously. You see it's braiding.
Hey, said the ocean, the so.
Me won't shake.
Oh, yeah, guys.
And then won't shake.
You guys should go inside, okay? I'll get back.
I believe you'll be surprised to see me this wonderful and great morning. But don't be surprised because whatever I love, when I'm even to kill myself and get it, I'll definitely kill myself and get it. So don't be surprised.
What do you want here?
Of course, you. It's you that I want. And by His grace, I've gotten you. If you know my kind, please offer me a seat because a gentleman of my caliber need not to stand and be talking to a beautiful lady like you.
I don't offer lawyers a seat at my workplace.
That is your perception, but in normal circumstance, it wasn't a lie. Whatever I told you, I felt I needed to hide something. Then from there, I give it out. I will not lie. How can a rich man, lie? It's obviously impossible. Oh. So it's a matter of you offering me a nice chair. Then I can give you my dialogues. Why is that to flatten your heart? Because I have prepared and I've come.
Whatever. You can sit.
Butter.
Oh my God.
I'm only here to tell you I'm really sorry for what really transpired. That wasn't what I wanted. But man proposes, God disposes. And under normal circumstance, I can't hide her because she's my wife. But something went wrong and I thought I needed to neglect her, forsake her, abandon her. So I get a lady who will understand and share my sentiment. That is what really happened. So I'm sorry. I love you so much. It's 1 out of 1,000 for me to chase a lady 2 occasions. No. I do what I want, but you touches my heart so much. It's better when you look at me from that angle of your eye. It speaks a lot to me.
I'm not enticed by your words. So go straight to the reason why you came here.
The reason why I'm here is to tell you I'm so sorry for what happened. And I love you so much. I'm ever ready to give you whatever you want, if only you accept my proposal. Nothing more, nothing else.
Fim, you lied to me.
I'm sorry. I am truly sorry. If only you permit me to hold your shoulder to clear my mind.
No, please don't touch him.
Are you rejecting my hands?
Don't touch me yet.
And don't forget, my hands can do so many things that you least suspect. Giving you something of your heart, I can't use my leg. Giving something that will place you, I can use any part of my body apart from my hands. So, with all due respect, for the second time, permit me to hold your shoulder to clear my mind. What a beautiful and soft skin.
Mesmerizing.
Oh my God, no. That is not what you think. Allow me to enter into you. Allow me to be, a man of your life. And with my lips, I'll never let you down.
Why didn't you tell me you had a wife?
Like I told you from the beginning, I should have, but I felt I needed to hide her for the meantime, so that when we get to the peak of it, so I can declare, everything. But I'm really sorry. That was my perception, but I didn't know it was going to affect you to the maximum level like that. I'm so sorry.
Then you have to appreciate me.
Oh my God, that one wouldn't be a problem at all. I am surprised you're telling me to give her something, but don't forget you're talking to a man of Yamboyat, who is not afraid of money. When we talk of money, I don't give a damn shit to money. So just tell me whatever you want and I'll be ever ready to give it to you by the flip of my hands.
Whatever your heart desires.
A lady of your choice, I need not to come out with my type or whatever you asked, whatever I want. You should tell me whatever you want. It's coming out of your heart, but not my heart.
Alright. I need money.
I don't forget I told them I'm a man of flamboyance. I'm not afraid of money. I am rich. I'm damn rich. So tell me what you want.
I need 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Ole? Ole? Alright, if that is what you places, I don't have any problem about it. But the most important thing, I'm going to add you a trip to Dubai, 10 days holidays, back to Ghana, and to be precise, sleep in a hotel. To be precise, got into the hotel for 10 days. If only that will be okay for you.
Come again?
Of course, you heard what I said. You asked for 10,000 Ghana cedis from me. To me, I don't classify money, such money as money. So I'm going to add your trip to Dubai, 10 days holidays over there, back to Ghana, then to be precise, sleep in a garden to the hotel for 10 good days. If that will be pleased, you'll be pleased with it. I wouldn't have any problem. That is me, feel for sure.
I've forgiven you. You know what?
No.
I love you from the moon and back.
I love you more too.